Well, law enforcement and social service officials are reporting a rise in the presence of methamphetamine in Crow Wing County. The use and sale of meth increased again over the past few years. Hannah Tran talked to local experts and gathered their observations.
It can look like a powder or shards of glass and crystals. Methamphetamine is a highly addictive stimulant, one that is not going away anytime soon.
Very prevalent in rural Minnesota and rural Crow Wing County.
Experts report that it's a rural epidemic. The presence of meth fluctuates across time, but investigator Joe Meyer saw a significant upswing in recent years.
You know, I've been doing this for nearly 25 years. I would say, unfortunately, there's more meth in Crow Wing County now than I've ever seen.
The last meth lab bust was in October here at 420 South 7th Street in Brainerd. 22-year-old Daniel Hoffman and 19-year-old Jade Christian turned themselves in. Manufacturing crimes have not cropped up for a while in Crow Wing County.
The manufacturing of methamphetamine it's not an ongoing problem and hasn't been for several years because of the Sudafed law.
Now, several measures have been passed to restrict the sale of ingredients used to make meth. Although manufacturing has decreased, sale and use of meth continue to climb.
You know, we're identified as a county that is having a bigger issue with this than per se maybe statewide.
Tammy Lewick and the Chemical Dependency Unit observed higher numbers in treatment cases for meth in Crow Wing County than Minnesota's average.
The 800 some people that go into treatment each year, 20% of those their primary substance is methamphetamines.
In 2010, out of all of those who sought treatment for chemical dependency, 12% had meth as a primary substance. In 2012, 20% had meth as a primary substance. The state's average, both years, is around 8%.
What we've noticed in this year and starting last year was an increase in the calls mentioning, we think the parents are using meth.
Crow Wing County's Child Protection Assessment Unit also witnessed an increase. Community Services Supervisor Linda Erickson answers concerned phone calls about families grappling with meth.
It's a call at least every day of the week that somebody's saying, I'm concerned about this family and their children because of methamphetamine.
Despite the decrease in the manufacturing of meth in the area, the drug is still finding its way into Crow Wing County. For investigators like Meyer, the focus will be outside city limits. Hannah Tran, Lakeland News.
Law enforcement officials believe that most of the meth is coming from the West Coast and Mexico.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.